What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Gala Games. I'm all out of H2O. Nice little push up in the market today. We're sitting at 32 cents. We're up about 4% for our friend Gala. We're seeing a market cap of 2.23 billion, 24-hour volume, 387 million. One of our metaverse projects here that I think will absolutely explode once we see Bitcoin start to trend back to the upside. So the world's fastest crypto growing app, guys. If you're new to crypto.com, my favorite app for investing, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. Okay, let's go over our friend Gala Games. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame. Huge bullish divergence, guys. Check this out. Lower lows, higher lows, 4-hour RSI, as well as the money flow, signifying that the bears are running out of strength. It's the bulls' time to step in and play. So we had our first entry at this level, 48, 44, 36. And our next buy zone was down here at about 0.26. So we didn't quite make it. We wicked down to this swing high, or this wick high here. So we may see a bounce. Which is perfectly okay, because a coin like Gala, it's extremely volatile. Like, look at these pumps, guys, just absolutely massive pumps when it starts to get going. And if we do come down to the next buy zone, bring down our average price once again, we get more money into our trade for Gala Games. So I would watch this level of resistance at 0.368. Previous level of support here as well. Definitely could act as resistance for Gala, but we might see a nice pump for Gala Games. If we come over to the daily, check this out. Look at the money flow, guys. Look how oversold we are on the money flow. Just absolutely in the floor. The MACD's in the floor. The RSI is in the floor. So we could definitely see a nice push for our friend Gala. We're almost having the bearish cross on the daily EMA, so do keep an eye on that. Our breakdown target from this descending triangle pattern, you can see we broke out, but then we rolled over, is down at this level of support, coming in about 21 cents. For Gala, but I would expect to see a nice bounce relatively soon, either a nice bounce or some consolidation for Gala, where we push up and we consolidate just like this on the RSI as well. Consolidation while Bitcoin goes through its accumulation phase here. Looks like we're having our spring that I've been mentioning on the channel. If this can continue, then this will definitely be our spring. Of course, it can just, come back down. We can continue to have these doji candles. But this is the biggest push we've seen in the market in a few weeks now. You can see Phantom is up 13%, Matic 11%. These are coins that I cover on my channel, guys, so make sure to subscribe. And if you want early access to our DCA charts, as well as 1,000 members talking all things crypto, it's the price of a coffee. Many DCA charts for our projects, $350 USD. And you can sign up through the Patreon. So we'll finish off the video here. So let's look at the 1-hour time frame, see how we're doing on the hourly. Yeah, we're starting to push back up to oversold. So do keep an eye on that as well. If we see a nice push here, I would expect 36 cents to act as resistance for Gala Games. Now, if we come up, we get rejected, we roll over. Our next buy zone is here at 26 cents. And then we have 20 cents, and I have one all the way down here at 11 cents. Equal amounts as a spot trader. It drops your average price halfway each time. If you're leverage trading, double your margin. I don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. Spot trading, no fail strategy. Leverage trading, trade at your own risk. All right, guys, that's basically it for our friend Gala. It's a bit hard for me to give future price targets for Gala right now, because we don't know for sure if this is our bottom, if we bottomed out here. But if that were to be the case, but there's not a lot of support in this area, support and resistance. But if that were to be the case, if that were to be Gala's bottom, you go swing high, swing low, and your next impulsive wave, your target would be the 1.618, coming in at about $1. That's $1.60, $1.61 for Gala. And from this bottom price, that would be a gain of 453%. But of course, we can go lower, but we may see a nice little bounce here for Gala over the next couple days. So that's basically it for Gala Games. Like I said, if you want early access to these charts for many projects on the days that I don't make videos for these particular coins, Mana, Soul, Sand, Gala, Vet, VeChain, I think I said Vet already, Phantom, as well as Matic, guys. You can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.